IBM is partnering up with environmental tech startup Bytom Labs to launch carbon credit-backed tokens on the Stellar blockchain. Bytom will use IBM's technology to issue and manage the tokens. IBM's blockchain offering manager Jared Klee told Forbes, "Our engagement with Bytom will mark the first public IBM involvement in a token issuance on a public network." He added, "Not only does that help create stability for the Stellar network, but that allows us to work with Bytom as the issuer and create a point of review in the transaction flow." And Boston-based peer-to-peer payments technology company Circle has raised $110 million. The investment round was led by Chinese cryptocurrency mining giant Bytom Technologies. Circle is launching a new type of token. The US dollar coin provides a full reserve US dollar-backed stablecoin. It is based on the open-source fiat stablecoin framework developed and governed by Centre, which will provide independent oversight of Circle's offering. Circle US dollar coin is a solution that enables customers to purchase and use US dollar coin fiat tokens for payments and trading in the crypto ecosystem. Circle said that existing fiat-backed approaches have lacked financial and operational transparency, operating in unregulated jurisdictions.
Litecoin erased the gains from earlier this week on Tuesday in a sudden change in the bullish sentiment. The positive news included Abra starting to support Litecoin transfers for free. Abra is the only global app that allows you to buy, store, and invest in 25 cryptocurrencies in one place. And Abra's CEO and founder have recently announced that it is testing an immediate, free of Abra charges, a limitless transfer from other wallets. In other news, the New York regulators have given cryptocurrency exchange Gemini the green light to include Litecoin as well as Bitcoin Cash and Zcash on its platform. Despite these, Litecoin price crashed versus the US dollar on Tuesday, erasing Monday and Sunday's gains. From a technical point of view, Litecoin versus US dollar has formed 3 consecutive lower highs since it reached the all-time high level of $368 back in December 2017. The most recent high of $183 was capped at the upper band of the daily Ichimoku cloud. Another bearish sign on the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo is the Tenkan line crossing below the Kijun line on the daily chart. At the time of filming, the lower band of the cloud is acting as a support. A break below this level could open doors for further drops towards $114, a level that has been tested multiple times since December. The pivot point is set at $165.
Bitcoin has been on a downward trend since May 5th, when we saw it moving closer to 10,000. So will it continue to head lower, falling under 8,000, or can it bounce back? The consensus summit hasn't really given the crypto market the boost many were actually expecting. Most of the top cryptocurrencies have experienced losses, and the total cryptocurrency market cap remains under 400 billion.
According to the Bytom white paper, Bytom connects the digital world with atomic world, bridging online space and offline space. Offline assets could be registered and exchanged on blockchain. Bytom bridges the physical world and the byte world for multiple digital assets, promoting the registration, circulation, and exchange of various digital assets. If two assets transaction counterparties do not trust each other, then Bytom can act as escrow. Later, with the circulation of assets over Bytom becomes more and more efficient and increasing volume. The credit rating of transaction counterparties is very important. Based on this, Bytom provides credit rating reports, which can even be accessible by other platforms. So what's CoinTiger? Well, CoinTiger is a cryptocurrency exchange offering trading services via API, web trading platforms. Regarding order execution models, CoinTiger is an exchange that offers trading of cryptocurrencies only. CoinTiger's traded volume is just over $86 million. May has been an exciting month for Bytom. The 10th of May saw all Bytom ERC20 tokens swap for the Bytom mainnet. At present, the price of one Bytom token is $0.63 after the all-time high of the coin was reached on April 24th of $1.70. Bytom is still undergoing their mainnet coin swap in some areas. The 17th of May will also see OKX support a net coin swap on this day also. And representatives of a handful of cryptocurrencies will be attending Block Expo in Stockholm. Block Expo is Europe's largest blockchain conference that takes place in Stockholm on May the 17th. The conference is organised by Stockholm Blockchain, the YouTube influencer Ivan Tech, and Swedish Blockchain Association. This 2018 edition of the conference brings together politicians, global blockchain experts and business leaders from multiple industries at this year's venue, Friends Arena in Stockholm. The conference will cover a range of topics such as how decentralized applications will disrupt our way of businesses and how the future of money will be put on the edge as cryptocurrencies continue to grow. Looking at the lineup, the refreshing thing about this event is the diverse range of speakers, from Swedish Parliament members and members of the Swedish government to the CTO of Komodo and a blockchain innovation leader at Nasdaq. It's always refreshing to see these events expand beyond people working directly with cryptocurrencies, and this really signifies certain countries working together to build the world of blockchain. One of the most interesting panels of the day could certainly be at 1300 hours. The panel is Blockchain and Politics, as the panel includes renowned politicians from all over the world speaking about their view on blockchain and governments. Tickets are pricey at €430, so will you guys be attending, or will you wait to see what news comes out of the
10, 9, 8, 7